Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown error occurred on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Telegram and you will click here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Telegram. If you find update, then you can update your app, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.